Hello everyone, Haruyuki here. In this video, I'll teach you how to install the Poppondetta lighting kit for Poppondetta models. This is specifically only for Poppondetta models, not Kato or anything. So this is the P-type lighting kit. So yeah, today we're gonna be trying it on if I can show it to you guys here. We're going to be trying it on the Nankai 8300 series on the 6 set, but I only do it on the Chukangsha, the middle carriage, as well as the Sentosha, which is the front carriage, the lead car. Yeah. So I believe the process should be almost the same for most Poppondetta sets. So this should be quite applicable for, let's say, your Asakusa line or your Osaka Metro for the other models. Yes. Yeah. So first thing when you get this, is to open it and you basically will get something like this. So this is the lighting board. It's a bit different from what most people are familiar with on Kato if you're coming from Kato. I'm not sure about Tomix, but I believe it's a bit different as well. So this is using springs as the contacts. So I've already gone ahead and done the springs, but essentially when it comes out of the box, it's without the spring. You have to take the spring here and just screw it on. So it's kind of like here it's threaded here, so you just take this and you just rotate it and screw it on. If it doesn't want to go in, maybe flip the screw on, the spring on the other end and try to put screw it on that way. Yeah. Make sure you don't put too much force as well, because if you do put too much force, it will damage the spring. Then it will make it really hard to install it onto the model itself. Alright, so I'm gonna teach you how to do it on the lead car first. So I'm gonna remove the middle carriages. Yeah. So it's quite similar if you watch my Kato tutorial. First you basically just yank open the car itself. So you can just use your fingernails. But do take care not to accidentally rip the entire cap out or damage any sort of electronics, especially Poppondetta, because you know, side lighting, there's lots of electronics in there, so just take care when doing it. If you're scared, you can remove the bogies first. You just pry it out like that. See the bogies there. The front as well is the same thing. Just yank it out like that. It's 100% not required, but if you're scared to damage the bogies in the process, you can remove it first. Takes a while to get the correct latch. Alright, there we go, it's separated. Yeah. So, this is the base and this is the shell. So I'm gonna put the shell here first. Alright, so let me introduce you to the base first. When the first time when I'm installing the thing on the Poppondetta, I'm not very used to the fact that the contacts are here. Kato, which I'm very familiar since 90% of my collection is on Kato, the contacts are here. There's kind of like a extension where you can insert the copper bus bar, whatever thing. Yeah, but for Poppondetta, it's here. So that's where your spring should go into, like this. If I can aim it right, like this, something like this. Yeah, just like I think most lighting kits is that for the lead car, you will need to cut since it's too long. As you can see here. See if I put it here like this, you can see that it's a bit too long. So just simply take a scissor here. Yeah. Oh, just one thing, since it might differ in length. You see this portion here? The one that, the section where it's kind of like, there's the markings on there. Yeah. Do not cut this. Here as well. Don't cut this. The markings. You can cut on the black the black portions, but do not cut on this. If you cut on this, chances are is that the entire board won't work anymore. Yeah. So don't do that. It's bad. You're gonna cut along here, here, and here. Do not cut on the markings. Yeah. So, I mean, if you can read Japanese here, kiranai de. Yeah. So, yeah, I will be using the white lighting kit, but this is applicable for any color of the lighting kit, I believe. The divider here, you should basically cut it around here, if you can see. So basically, this LED should be removed completely from here. This 1, 2, 3, 4 completely. And one more thing to take note is that I'm not sure about Tomix, like I said. But based on my experience, is that usually you only have to cut the ones on this direction towards the cap. But for Popondetta sets, you also need to cut here. You need to trim it off. Otherwise, it will clip at the back of the shell here. See? Yeah, it will clip this section. If you're scared that you cut wrongly, make sure that you align it like this. The springs are aligned with this, so that now you know that you cut here. And over here is the same thing. You cut over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So cut along here. Let's cut in the middle. There we go. Then the other side, we need to remove one singular LED. So we just remove the middle portion here. Take closer a bit here. Yeah, there we go. I do not know where that flew to. I'm gonna probably find that in a month in my room. Alright, so yeah. Here and here. Okay, so after cutting the portions, you can now go back to your model box, and this should be provided. Basically the stands. So the stands is actually quite simple. Just directly in front of here, you see this tool. Just insert it into here like this. Like that, and twist. Then you got it here, like that. So you get another one as well. So each car has 2 stands. Like that. And then now you can install the light bar above. Just align it nicely. And just snap it in. Make sure the springs are aligned first before you snap it in. So when you snap it in, it should be like this. Make sure it's not short-circuited too. So just push it a bit. Yeah. So when it's done, you can just test it first. So I have a test track up there. So one moment first. Let's reinstall the boogies. Like that. Alright, so like this, now we can test. Yep. So yeah, you can see it here like this. My tracks are a bit dirty, so it flickers a bit, but it should not be a big problem. Yeah, once that's done, you can just get the shell up here and then just install it back. Just make sure that it's not drooping like here. So if it's like this, like that, but the back is just unlatch the back again. Make sure the head clicks in first, like this. Oh, it's a bit hard. Like that. And then the back. And then just to make sure nothing comes out. Nice. Yep, there we go. Nice and lit. Yep, gonna turn off my light so that you can see it better. There is also 2 moods on the board. there's actually a small switch here, H and S. So when it's switched to S, it's basically the realistic lighting of the train. So S, yeah. And H means as bright as possible. This is, you can consult the manual on this. This is what the manual said, yeah. So if you like something realistic, you can go for S, but maybe if you're doing photography or if you want something like much brighter to emphasize the lighting, you can switch it to H. Okay, let's move on to the middle car, since we are done with the front car, the lead car. So for the intermediate car, it's actually almost the same process. Let's just open it up. So I'm gonna be doing this on the motor car of the model, but it should be the same process as the one that is like the intermediary without the motor, like this over here. This without the motor, it should be about the same process. Alright, so to open it, it's the same thing. Just open the latch. Before you do anything as well, if you're scared you damage the bogie, you can always plug it out like this. Same process. This one, just be extra careful not to damage the spring contacts, otherwise there won't be any motor action for this car. It will be completely dead. So just be careful, don't damage this. So I'll remove the other side as well. Yeah. Another word of caution is that the motor cars come with this thing over here. Make sure you don't damage this, so just be very careful not to yank it out directly. Just detach it and move it upwards or something. Yeah. Alright, so I'm just put this here like that. Alright, so let's open up the car. Alright, so when you get the shell off, same process. Let's get the board here. So here is the installation, the contacts here. So you gotta align it. So same thing, I think we need to trim a bit here as well as here. So 1, 2, 3 at the third one here. So like as always, this differs from rolling stock to rolling stock. So just be careful. So I am going to cut this here, as well as the last one here, like that. So after doing that, you can just get the support beams like from before. Just twist it in place nicely like that. Here as well. Yep. Okay, like this. All you have to do now is just insert it in. So just make sure this is aligned. Alright, so when you're done with this, all of this you can throw away. Yeah, when you're done with this, you can put the shell back on. So just make sure that it's the correct direction. You can't really tell the difference here, can you? So there's an arrow here, and then there's an arrow down here as well. If you can see the focus arrow here versus the arrow up here. So that's, you know, match the correct direction. Then now you can just put this back on. Push it down. Okay, and now we can get our bogies back. Make sure that when you put your bogies back, this aligns with the rod here. Oh, yeah, and make sure you don't drop the spring. Let me just put back the spring. Came out. So slot it in to the hole. Slot in the rod. Okay, and then push it up. Onto the test track. This train is going to like run because this is a motor car, so I'm just gonna slowly put it here. Alright, I'm just gonna be additionally careful. See, like this, it lights up. Just go the other way. See, like that, yeah. I can't put it on the track since it will just fly off the track since it's a motor car. But yeah, there we go. That's how you install the Poppondetta lighting kit. it's not exactly that hard, but it's very hard to peel pry off the shell. So just be additionally careful. In my testing, I actually broke this shell. I now have to order a new shell. If you can see here, see the parts here are broken off as opposed to here. So just be additionally careful when installing this, since Poppondetta is incredibly expensive and you just don't want to lose money to accidents like that. So yeah, that's all. So I hope this video is helpful, since I don't think I saw any video on how to install lighting for Poppondetta that's in English. So I hope this is helpful. If you have any suggestions for future videos, or if you want more guides on certain N-gauge stuff, feel free to leave it in the comment section. Right, bye bye!